to our ever-changing lifestyles, sleep disorder is common. Up to 45% of the world's adult population suffer a snoring problem at some stage during their lives. Some people think snoring is funny and somewhat of a joke. It's not. Snorers can suffer many health issues like daytime drowsiness, mood swings, low energy levels and decreased productivity. More serious problems can occur like high blood pressure, diabetes, stroke and even heart disease. It keeps your partner awake, makes them irritable, frustrated and tired. And as the lack of sleep intensifies and the pressure builds, the culprit is forced to sleep elsewhere, awaking feeling dreadful, and eventually marriages and sex lives are often destroyed. Does this all sound familiar? The snorer's work suffers too. Mistakes and errors are made, often to the detriment of work colleagues. Fortunately, there is now a very cost-effective solution which is readily available without prescription. Noiseless is Europe's top-selling anti-snoring device, invented and patented worldwide by a top Danish surgeon. It's made of a high-quality premium dental resin. As the pharmacist demonstrates, Noiseless is molded as a two-tray hinge device with the bottom tray slightly larger and protruded from the top tray. The device sits comfortably over both jaws, usually straight from the packet. As shown, this helps to gently hold the bottom jaw slightly forward during sleep, keeping the patient's airway open. As a result, the patient breathes more easily and stops snoring. Harmony in the bedroom quickly returns. The benefits of Noiseless. Enjoy undisturbed deep sleep unlike anything you've experienced before. Wake feeling more refreshed and energized. No more arguments or complaints from your partner or having to sleep elsewhere. No expensive equipment like CPAP machines. Stops teeth grinding too. Easy to use and clean,